Hey Virgo. So this is going to be your love reading for the month of July. Please keep in mind, if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. And it looks like a decision was made. Tell me more. See, Virgo, your card tried to jump out. So either you made this decision, Virgo, to walk away from this individual to move in a new direction, or I'm feeling like you were dealing with someone that has been isolating themselves from you, but now they're deciding that they want to start over with you. They do want to have something they want to build with you. Let's see how this plays out. Yeah, there's somebody here that wants to have a victory with you. This is a decision that they made. So yeah, this person was keeping themselves away from you. They were isolating themselves. Some of you guys haven't heard from this person, or if you've been talking to them, it's been kind of like here and there. But let's see. Yeah, look at that. This person definitely wants things to improve between the two of you. Okay. Oh my gosh, Virgo. Somebody's coming back to work things out with you. They're coming. Oh, look. They want a new beginning, Virgo. Y'all see this? Oh my gosh. They're coming back. They're coming out of being frustrated because now this person that you were dealing with, I feel like in the past they played games. Maybe this person was afraid of truly committing themselves 100% into a relationship, because now they're not confused. They're not battling themselves. They want something real with you. Tell me more. Yeah, but see, there's little to no communication. You don't know. That's what I'm saying. Either you're not talking to this person, or the communication is real spotty right now. It's like, hey, how you doing, big head? All right, and then they just go ghost, and then they'll come back. Like, it's hit or miss with them right now. Tell me more. Yeah, they're not listening to their intuition, because they need to speak up. Somebody could be dealing with the Gemini here. Ugh, what just jumped out? Yeah, this person definitely, you're dealing with a soulmate. This is definitely soulmate energy. I do feel like this person loves you. They want something with you, but they're afraid that you don't want to have this new beginning with them. Look at that. They're coming back. If they're not back already, I'm telling you, they're coming back. There's an offer here, but it is a small offer. Look, because right now they're trying to remove themselves out of something toxic. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn here. This could be even them, changing their behavior. I feel like a lot of you guys, yeah, they were in something toxic, whether it's a relationship, marriage, something pertaining to family. Could be career, it could be anything. It could have been just even codependent behaviors, sex, drugs, alcohol. It could be anything. But right now they're trying to remove themselves or clear away all of that, right? But they're worried. This person, they can't sleep. You're on their mind a lot. Look at that, 2 9s. I'm telling you, this karmic cycle, whatever's been going on with them that they're trying to release, it's wrapping up. They're coming to you because, see, they're freeing themselves. If they were in a relationship, marriage, somebody's about to be single. Could be dealing with a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio, but this person knows that they hurt you. Yeah. They're feeling like they're not going to have stability with you, but they want it. Look at that. They're coming back to give you a stable offer here. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. Somebody also isn't happy with some type of home situation that they're in, because I'm feeling like that toxic situation, somebody around them is like really controlling. But I'm seeing that they're trying to get advice from someone to take a leap towards you. And there you are. Virgo, you could be dealing with another Virgo. But this was their lesson. Now they're sitting back trying to figure out what to do, because they didn't balance things out with you in the past. And it's like they don't have the strength to come towards you, but at the same time, they don't want you to walk away from them. How crazy does that sound? I'm like, come on. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. But see, I'm telling you, they don't want you to cut them off. It's like, they know if they come to you, Virgo, they have to come correct. They can't play around. So it's like until they can get this situation up here under control, they kind of just keep things to themselves, like what it is that they really want to have with you. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. Look at that. I have both the King and the Queen of Swords, and they're both reversed. This person, I'm going to tell you, it's definitely a soulmate here. This is definitely soulmate. Even could be a twin flame, but whatever it is, it's like they don't want you to cut them off, but you're over here like, I'm done. I don't want to, deal with you anymore. You played around. I'm tired. I deserve better. I'm moving on. Because you're sneaky. You played around too much. Yeah, see, you guys let them go. You were tired of going through this cycle with them. You were tired of, arguing with this person. It's just too much drama, conflict, and you guys made the decision not to move things forward with them because they were being sneaky. But I'm feeling like this person has come back towards you because they're tired of battling themselves. They're tired of being in the situation that they're in. But right now, again, they can't open up to you until they get out of whatever that situation is up here. They're still going through their lessons because, see, they're frustrated right now because they still feel trapped. Or they're still feeling stuck in something. Tell me more. Yeah. But I'm seeing that they want to rush in to say something. Tell me more. But they're watching you. So Virgo, they're keeping an eye on you. Whether you guys have mutual friends, they're asking, like, hey, what does he or she have going on? Or they're watching you online. But they're definitely keeping tabs on you. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. But I feel like they want to speak their truth to you. Because they do want things to improve. But right now they're trying to make a decision. Somebody could be getting out of some type of contract, legal obligation here. And maybe in the past they were worried about their money, but I'm seeing they're coming towards you because they want a commitment with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but you see what I'm saying? Somebody had to get out of some type of long-term commitment, relationship, marriage, or there was some type of, contract. There's something binding here that this person felt bound to with this other individual on their end, regardless to whatever it is, but they're getting out of it because they want to have something with you. But see, they were worried about their money in the past because they knew that if they left this person alone or if they, stopped helping, it was going to be a problem. And so they had to get it together because they did take a hit. Look at that. See, I told you, they were working hard. Somebody was worrying about their money, and it's like they had to get out. I'm telling you, they had to get out of a contract. They had to get out of something, Virgo. There was some type of obligation here. And it's something pertaining to money. And see, in the past, they weren't confident. But they're coming back to give you an apology because they do want to balance things out with you. They know who they want to be with. Look at that. See? They want stability with you, Virgo. They want contentment with you. But I'm telling you, this other person that they were dealing with is holding on. They want money from them. Look at that. The way she's more so down, but I'm going to take it both ways. This could have been someone's mom here, or it's a love interest, but they were definitely interfering. This is the person that was standing in the way. Somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but this is why this person couldn't give you the Ace of Cups in the past. Look, and then the Ace of Pentacles is reversed. There was no security with this person because they were entertaining someone else. They were giving to someone else, and now they're sad because they're regretting it. They gave to the wrong person. And see, now they're trying to stay positive because they're trying to manifest having a new beginning with you, but see, they left you out in the cold in the past, and that's why they're upset because they feel like you're not going to take them back. They're wanting to come back and heal this situation with you. See, look. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. I'm not sure if I said water sign because, I was just moving. But somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. But I feel like this person, yes, they're focusing on their finances right now, but they are wanting to give you the offer that you deserve. They want to give you that secure offer. But they have to end things with this other person. Maybe some of them are feeling like, again, you're not going to take it. Why? I'm getting all these kings. Ooh. But they're moving slow. For some of you guys, I feel like this person wants to come back to you like an emperor, but they could have found out something. either the person that they were dealing with could have been entertaining other people. There was just like a lot of people involved in this connection between the two of you that kept trying to, you know, keep you guys apart. So this person knows in order to make things right with you, they're going to have to cut off a lot of people, a lot of behaviors. And that's what I was telling you before. You know, if they want to have a serious commitment with you. And see, that's why they're moving slow. Somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But I'm telling you, they're not confused. They are moving slow. They're just taking it day by day. They're coming to you. But right now, they're worried, Virgo. Look at that. 2 4s. There was some type of family. It was family. Whether, you know, it's like their immediate family as far as like their mom, dad, sister, brother, grandma, whoever. Or it could have been someone that they have a family with, that they're in a relationship with, they're married to, they got kids. There was something here, family-wise, as to why they were moving slow. But I'm seeing that they do want to give you an offer, but you see what I'm saying? It was family. Family was involved here. That was the issue. See, look at that. And now they have to break up some type of family situation here. It was definitely family. Whoever this is resonating for. And see, right now they're not happy. They're not happy at all because they made the biggest mistake. I feel like, yes, they did stab you in the back. A lot of times they do want to make things right. They want to heal that situation. But I feel like family got in the way too. And something took place on their end because now they're feeling betrayed. Now they're trying to heal from feeling stabbed in the back. Tell me more? Yeah. See? It's like they don't have any hope that they can make things right with you because they messed up bad. I mean, really bad. Could have been dealing with an Aquarius, but I'm seeing that this person made a decision. They're coming out of being frustrated. See, but they don't know what to do. They don't know what to do. They did have a lot of options in the past, but they're eliminating people. They're eliminating options. What's this decision again? Yeah. They had you waiting around for them, and they don't want you to wait. They're getting ready to make a move. Look at that. I told you, they're making plans to come towards you, Virgo. They want a new opportunity, but see, this person regrets everything that they put you through, but they were helping out other people. It's just, this is the problem, see? Yeah, they were helping out others. And I'm seeing here that they are going to come and speak their truth to you because they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're going to grow. But they're going to tell you that they removed themselves from some type of third-party situation. Yeah, they put an end to it. Somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio, but this was their transformation. You see what I'm saying? Because they realized things were not going to improve in their life until they had to walk away. They're going to walk away. If they haven't already, they're getting ready to walk. See? They're listening to their intuition. Somebody could have been dealing with a Pisces, but they're afraid that because they didn't balance things out, you may not want to hear from them. But you're still going to get an offer. They're not letting up. You're going to get an offer from them, Virgo. Let's see. There's the Queen of Pentacles. See what I'm saying? You're getting an offer. Could be dealing with another earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with the Cancer, but it's like they know that you're focusing on you, you're having fun. Remember, I told you this person is watching you, so it's like they see that you're in a good space. You know, you're happy, you look really good, you're handsome, whatever, and you're just moving on in life. And that's what's freaking them out, you know? Because they do want to move things forward with you. And see, there's communication coming in. They do want to have a new opportunity. You guys, somebody's going to ask you out. You're going to get asked out really soon by this individual. Because I do see that they want to celebrate with you. So, Virgo, that was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates. If you're interested in a personal reading, I will leave my information.